Have you ever wondered where cashew nuts come from? Well, let's embark on a fascinating journey to the origin of these kidney-shaped delights. Cashew nuts are native to the tropical coastal areas of northeastern Brazil. Yes, these popular nuts indeed have a tropical pedigree. The Portuguese explorers, with their adventurous spirit, brought these nuts from Brazil to various parts of the world during the 16th century. Now, here's an amusing fact. The cashew nut is not just a nut. It's a seed that intriguingly grows at the bottom of the cashew apple, which is a fruit. That's right. This unique fruit is bright red or yellow, and its bottom is adorned with our beloved cashew nut, encased in a hard shell. This distinctive arrangement is one of nature's delightful quirks. So next time you enjoy a handful of cashews, remember, they have a long journey from the bottom of a fruit in Brazil. But how do these nuts make the journey from the cashew apple to your snack bowl? Well, let's dive into the fascinating process. Harvesting cashews is no easy task. Nestled within a hard shell on the cashew apple, the nut needs to be carefully extracted. Once the apple is ripe, it drops from the tree, and the nut is manually separated. The nuts are then sun-dried. This crucial step helps to reduce the moisture content, preparing them for the next stage, roasting. The roasting process isn't just about adding that delicious toasted flavor, it's also a safety measure. Raw cashew shells contain urushiol, a toxic substance that can cause skin rashes. Roasting neutralizes this toxin, making the nuts safe to eat. Finally, the roasted nuts are cooled and shelled. This labor-intensive process is usually done by hand, ensuring that each nut is of the highest quality. Yes, each cashew you eat has been handpicked and processed to ensure it's safe and delicious for you to eat. Not only are cashews delicious, but they also pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. When you bite into a cashew, you're not just getting a burst of creamy, slightly sweet flavor, you're also consuming a powerhouse of nutrients. For starters, cashews are high in protein, making them a great snack for those who need an energy boost throughout the day. But that's not all. Cashews are also known for their heart-healthy fats. These monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, next time you're thinking about a heart-healthy diet, remember to add cashews to your shopping list. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Cashews are rich in magnesium, which is essential for healthy bone development, and also high in copper, which plays a crucial role in numerous physiological functions. So, indulging in a handful of cashews not only satisfies your taste buds, but also contributes to your overall health. Did you know cashews are not just for snacking? They add a delicious crunch to many dishes too. Imagine biting into a stir-fry, tasting the vibrant vegetables, the savory sauce, and then, there it is. A delightful crunch that explodes with flavor. That's the magic of cashews. Their mild, creamy flavor makes them an excellent dairy substitute in vegan dishes. Ever wondered how vegan cheese gets its creamy texture? That's right, cashews. Soaked and blended, cashews form a smooth, rich base that can mimic the creaminess of dairy in a multitude of recipes. And it's not just in your kitchen where cashews shine. They're a staple in many Asian cuisines, adding a bit of crunch and a whole lot of flavor. They're in everything from Thai stir-fries to Indian sweets, proving their versatility in the culinary world. Try adding cashews to your next meal for an added crunch and nutritional boost. Before we wrap up, there are a few things you should keep in mind about cashews. First, while they are a delicious and nutritious snack, they are also high in calories. So if you're watching your waistline, remember to enjoy them in moderation. Next, be aware that some people may have allergic reactions to cashews, so it's always a good idea to check with your guests before serving dishes with cashews. Finally, while we humans can enjoy the many benefits of cashews, our furry friends should steer clear. Dogs in particular should not eat cashews due to potential health risks, including pancreatitis and other digestive issues. So keep your cashew stash out of paw's reach. Remember, while cashews are a tasty and nutritious snack, like anything, they should be enjoyed in moderation.